Section 2C, multiplying and dividing radicals. Now here we are multiplying, so we do not need to have like roots. We're going to start with 15, and the rules are, if numbers are on the outside, you can multiply them of the root. You can multiply them. If they're on the inside of the root, you can multiply them. So here we take 15 times 5 and get 75. V times V cubed, and it's V to the 1, so we're multiplying, so powers are added, and we have the root of that. Now we ask ourselves, can we simplify? Well, 75 goes down to 3 and 25, which is 5 and 5. So we do have a pair of 5s, so that comes out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 V's, which again we have two different pairs, so a V comes out, another V comes out. So we're left with a 5 that comes out, two V's that come out, which I'll write as V squared, and we're left with, we have this 3 that's left in there, and all the V's are gone. So we multiply and then simplify. Another one would be 19. Now here's a good thought. We have division, so we're going to simplify. So right away we notice that the 3's can cancel. They're on the outside of the root, so they can be dealt with. This part, I like to write it as one big root and look at it this way. And I say to myself, can we simplify that fraction? And yes, it can be. So we know that 3 goes into both. So 2 goes into both. 2 goes into that 3 times. 2 goes into that 16 times. So this becomes the root of 3/16, which we now write it as, or the way it was originally written, with two different roots. Now remember, the 3's are gone, so I'm looking at this. Well, we're not done because you can't have a root in the denominator. But the root of 16 is 4. So that would be considered our finished result.